Welcome to Vita Factory. We place safety at the heart of everything we do, and we hope that you will find the following basic visiting rules helpful. But first, you need to find us, and it's very easy. At kilometer 6 of Highway 132 heading towards Lesdie, or at kilometer 38 if you are heading towards Elitas, turn west. There will also be a road sign directing you to the factory. Follow the main road, and you will be there in no time. Upon entry, you must stop at the security gate, check in with the guard, and receive a badge and security vest. When on the premises of the factory, you must drive in the direction of the blue line at a speed of no more than 20 kilometers per hour. Please do not back up into the parking spaces to ensure quick evacuation in case of fire. We also have a few parking lots for electric cars with charging stations. After that, you will be greeted by one of our workers. You must be accompanied by them at all times. They will also make sure that you receive your safety boots and safety glasses in addition to the vest if you don't have your own. You must always wear them when in the production departments. What else? Please always follow the instructions of your guide, move only along the blue and yellow lines, and remember that photography and videography are not allowed inside of the factory without permission, and that smoking is only allowed in designated areas. And if some sort of emergency does occur, don't panic. Just go to one of the meeting locations outside the buildings and follow your guide's instructions. We do this because we care. We look forward to your visit, and we hope that you will enjoy the time at our factory. See you soon!